Simple steps on how to deal with arthritis. When it comes to arthritis, it seems that nobody is safe. Men and women of all ages and fitness levels are potential targets of this painful and degenerative disease. These tips and tricks offer some basic insight into the different options that are available for anyone who is struggling to cope with the symptoms of this condition. Buy accessories for your life and your home that make things easier. For example, you can purchase products that make it easier for you to open doors or take the lids off of jars. If you can increase the ease of your daily life, you'll reduce pain and stress and improve your attitude. Make time in your day to do the things you love. Increased stress levels can lead to more arthritis flare-ups. If you find time to do the activities you enjoy, you'll improve your mood and your energy levels. This kind of effect will lead to lasting improvement for your symptoms. To enhance your ability to sleep through the discomfort of arthritic pain, try soaking in warm bath salts at night. The bath and salts will soothe your muscles and ease arthritis pain. You'll be able to find sleep more easily and sleep that much longer. Stay away from heating pads if your arthritis is flaring up. All they are going to do is make your symptoms worse. Instead, apply a cold compress to the area where your arthritis is located. You could even wrap a package of frozen peas or another frozen vegetable in a towel and apply to the area. Today, there are a variety of treatments and options offered for all types of arthritis and all types of patients. If you or someone you know is affected by the disease, remember the advice from this video, as you seek ways to minimize the pain and the limitations that accompany a diagnosis of arthritis. Would you like to discover the arthritis breakthrough your doctor won't tell you about? Visit secretarthritishack.com to learn more. Uncover one cheap ingredient, found in every supermarket, proved to improve arthritis 48%. Visit secretarthritishack.com to learn all of this and more. Link in the description.